Welcome back to the channel. I just have to talk more about some small things I have been buying lately and fixing up why I had problems working in the garage. I bought these LED lights and put them up inside here and outside in the garage. They was very cheap, 250 Norwegian kroners. It was selling by Jula. It's a Swedish company in Norway. They have a brand they call Anslut Connect in English. I've been buying a lot of small LED 10 watts. This model, also model for standing on small stable system like this. Then I can just take them with me in the garage and put them under the car or things like that. So it's just have to remember to put up wires and take them with me. But this one is battery powered, so I can just charge them up by USB and use them. But now I was seeing one more special offer. This big sucker is supposed to give 25,600 lumen and spread out to 130 degree angle outside, 4000 Kelvin as the small ones up here, 200 watts. And this sucker I was thinking to put outside the house, or I can put it different place. I just make different setup. But my boys would like to play basketball, and there's a lot of corona restrictions, so they can't go in and train as much as they want, but we have a basket rim in the garden. So I'm just thinking to put up this one. So now you just take it out and check it and see how everything is working. It's actually not so light. It's heavy. Really heavy. Big anchoring screws. Instructions. There's a lot of light ions in here. Not sure if you see it, but line by line by line by line. You see it? Okay, here we have to check up the wiring, because it comes with open wiring like this. And that was not especially smart in my eyes. It should have been closed system if this is supposed to be able to stand outside. Why should it be like this? It's not nice. I don't like this at all, this solution. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. This way is not the way to put wires together. This is just wasted time. I should have had some. I see they have some crimp system that you put with the soldering inside and melting plastic like this on the sides. So with that one, maybe I get it closer there, but then I also had to crimp on a big one to go over there again. This is just stupid. Why are they selling it like this? They should have made it so it'd be easy for people to put it together. Not like this. Should have been a small opening in the back. We put it in with a solid closing system. And just put in the wires and connect it and maybe close it on some other time. Or they should have sold it with the wire. This is just wasted time. This one I can't trust. Can't trust this one to take much water and things. Then what's the point? If they have sold this with a couple of meters of wires, you can take it inside the house and connect it and things. Don't understand. So that was a stupid solution. Now I really hope that the light is very, very bright. So we have to see. Now I've disconnected the door and night light. Let's just put on that one. Okay. See. There. Just an ordinary light. Can put on my other lights here. And then I put on the big one. It's very, very bright. So it looks to be very bright. I'm going to take it out tomorrow when it's light outside and put it up one place so you can check, and then we'll see. So light looks to be very nice. It's only the connection system was completely stupid. So let's see tomorrow. I put in a video here when I'm outside. Then I'm out. Sun now gone down. It's what we call the blue hour, as the photographer call it. Time when you have some blue in the sky. You see behind the house, I made some turning place up by the school, so there's a lot of LED lights up there. There, get LED light up upside the house. That one is actually lighting up good. Now we are maybe 10 meters, 8 to 10 meters from the basket to the light. Be interesting to see how this is working. So now I'm just waiting for the youngest boy. He was coming out and just seeing it, was making it for him, so also making it now when I have on the tripod here. I can move it around. If I want to do something with the cars outside, I can just put it on and see what I'm doing. So now we're going to see. You see, the light is flooding very big area, and it's flooding up through the trees, and it shouldn't be any problem playing basket out in the snow now. there you see, it was working perfectly with that. So it's a lot of light for a very cheap price. You can use it both when I'm working out with the cars and also if they want to train outside. So that's nice. It worked perfectly like that. See here? Work perfectly for be able to take it out and work with the cars outside. Even in this dark, now you see it's no blue hours anymore. It's completely dark. It works nicely. There's only one problem. Is this connection shit. That is far away from perfect. That can't take water at all. Now you've seen it outside and commented outside, so yeah, then you see my meaning about this. Please come back, subscribe to the channel, please put a comment about this light and things about the wiring and everything like that. I know my soldering was hopeless, it's not the right way of doing it, sorry, had to be something else, this was just too stupid. So the wiring is a big problem with it. The price was very nice, was special offer. Was sold for 599 on special offer is less 400 kroner, so almost half price. So for a price, that is nice. So, but please subscribe to the channel, put a like on the video, and please come back and see more. Thank you. And also you can see the videos about the garage and the light when I put it up, the more of this 44 watts lights in the garage. So thank you, please come back.